Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, as you can see on the chart, that there is not much volatility in the market. So we can expect that we are going to have a silent Friday. Maybe market will catch some momentum during the US session, but during the Asian and European session, I don't think so that we are going to witness some heavy or crazy volatility. So before I begin, okay, I have some announcement and some questions to ask. So let's get started. Those who watch my videos regularly, they probably you know it very well that I was looking for two things mostly. First of all, a good broker and one algo. So my hunt for algo is still going on. It's been more than 4 months. Yeah, I have spent a considerable amount of money also, but still I'm looking for a nice reliable algo that can work for us when we are not working. Okay, I hope I will be able to give you some solution, okay, within 1 month with the algo part, because before recommending an algo, I will have to check myself whether it works or not. Okay. Secondly, about the broker, okay, I get a lot of questions. In fact, in our Instagram sessions, live sessions, also people ask a lot of questions regarding a broker. And I have understood one thing very well, that though we traders only need few things like smooth withdrawal, good customer support, decent spread, and safety, but sadly not a single broker is able to provide these things. Okay, so as a result we need to choose a broker according to our own need. That's why I have come up with a list. Okay, the list will have more brokers here. You can see I have left some space here, but once I'm done, okay, I will be telling you guys so that you can choose your broker if you're not happy with your present broker. If you already have a good broker, no need to switch. And more videos will also come so that you can understand which broker will be good for you. Okay, I will be explaining. Okay, so if you click on know more, it will be redirected to a video so that you can understand it better. Okay, so videos will come, you'll get a proper idea. So the list, okay, the list will have few more brokers like XM, HF markets, etc. And I'm sorry it took a long time, because see, before recommending a name, okay, I had to check multiple times. I had to talk with the authority also. Anyways, that's all with the announcement, and thank you so much for the lovely response for the on Instagram live sessions. Yesterday also we had a live session on Instagram. If you want to be a part of the live session, okay, feel free to follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Do not follow the scammers, they have more followers than me. Anyways, now, okay, now the question. Okay, so I have been receiving a lot of requests for the mm, workshop. It's been 3 months, okay, and there is no sign of the workshop because I was unable to manage time. I was busy, but yes, I'm planning. Okay, I'm planning to conduct the next workshop in the month of March. So I have okay decided. Okay, I have decided 1, 2, 3. Okay, first, second, and 3rd of March for the Hindi session. Okay, for Hindi session 1, 2, and 3. एक दो तीन तारीख मार्च के महीने में. So I think those days are appropriate. Now, my concern is regarding the English workshop. Why? Because on 6th, okay, on 6th, 7th, and 8th, I won't be able to conduct any workshop. 6 is my wife's birthday, 7 is my birthday, 8 is Shivratri. So these three is okay, not possible. And after that, okay, Ramadan is starting. Ramadan is starting from 10th of March, I guess. So I don't know. Okay, I have no idea whether it will be a good idea to conduct a workshop in Ramadan month or not. So kindly suggest me good dates for the English workshop. If you're interested, you can also mail me. You can also write down in the comment section, or you can also WhatsApp me. Okay, so I need a suggestion. So let's start with the goal. So today is Lunar New Year holiday. Okay, and you can see here gold steady as Lunar New Year holiday begins, so we can expect a quieter market, and you can expect that more or less the market will remain sideways. So if you are a lover of the higher time frame, then you may not find any opportunity to trade in this market condition. You need to switch to a lower time frame. And if you look at the chart of dollar index, we can see here dollar index is still surviving above 104 level. That's a good sign. But technically, okay, we do not see any proper direction. But at least US dollar index or DXY is out of the range. That's a good sign. During the day, if we see DXY going down, 103.75 will be the next support. Why? Because the previous support will be working as resistance, and you can see the 200 moving average is also present around this area. So if we combine both the factors, in case the XY shows downside also, we can expect the market to take support around this area. Now let's talk about gold. So the major range of gold is still the same, that is 2065 on the upside and 2000 on the downside, and I don't think so gold will be breaking the range as of now. So you can expect the market to stay within this range only, because if we go to higher time frame, we can clearly see the market is sideways. See, this is the chart of gold, but due to market being stuck on the middle of the chart, we are looking for trading opportunities. But if you are looking for reliable trading opportunities, then these are the only two levels where you can look for buy at support, sell at resistance. Now we are focused on the middle of the chart, so the trading opportunities are not very reliable. Do not forget that. Okay, every chart has many levels, but not all the levels are equal. Okay, now let's discuss one by one. First of all, okay, we have the next zone around 2032 to 2036. You can see I have also marked it here. So this is a zone where you should not trade. I think it's a no trading zone. It's a no trading zone because many of you may feel that if gold crosses 2035, okay, sorry, to not to I'm wrong here. Okay, it's 2035 to 2038. Okay, this is the zone. I'm extremely sorry, the box here. Why? Because see, you may feel that if market cross 2035, we may get a buy opportunity here. If you want to go for a buy, if your strategy or if your trade setup is saying that you can go for a buy, you can go for a buy. But I feel that this is a no trading zone, 35 to 38, because there is a possibility that the market may reverse from here. That's why I'm not recommending any buy position here. And if market cross 2039, okay, if you want to go for a buy as a scalper, you can go for a buy, but do not expect a huge upside because we have immediate resistance at 2044. So you can see, if we have a resistance at 50 pips, then how much you can target? You can target on 20 to 30 pips only for a safety purpose. So number of reliable trading opportunities are very less in the market right now. So if you had a good week, okay, if you had a good week, if you had a profitable week, I don't think so you should trade for a day, or if you trade also, then try to take very less risk. Okay, so again I'm repeating, if market goes up from here, we have a no trading zone around 2035 to 2038. If market reverses from this particular level, you can look for a sell, but taking considering it as a buy at breakout can be a risky option, so try to avoid it. And if market breaks 2039 level, if you want to go for a scalp, you can scalp for 20-30 pips, but be careful because we have the next immediate resistance at 2044, and if market reverses from 2044, we can look for a sell around this area. And the major resistance for the market is around 20502, 2052, and if market hits this level and reverses, we can look for a sell. I'm not explaining why 2050 because we have explained about discuss about 2050 a lot of times. I do not want to bore you again. Okay, so if market goes up from here, these are the trading opportunities in front of us. And during the day, especially during the Asian session and European session, if market drops, you can look for buy around 2029, 2027. These are the two levels where you can look for a buy, because yesterday market made a low of 2020 and here we have drawn FIBO. Okay, not very reliable, but still, okay, due to less volume, we can expect a quick bounce around these areas. If you have the itch to trade all the time, then you can look for a buy around these areas. But if you If you are not an impatient trader, okay, you only go for reliable trading opportunities, then obviously these are not trades I will suggest you. And you can also understand from my words that these are not very nice trades. Okay, so so during the day, especially during the Asian and European session, if you see market around these areas, you can look for buy. We have minus support, and then we have some support around 2020 and 2015. Okay, these are also two levels where you can look for buy around these areas, considering it as a lunar holiday. Keep your focus, keep your one eye on the volatility of the market. Volatility will be playing a major role as always. Yesterday, during the live Instagram session, okay, market formed this candle. Okay, people were shouting gold, gold, gold. Okay, I could not understand why they are shouting about gold. Then I looked at the screen and I was not surprised. I was shocked to see this candle. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Again, I'm repeating, if you had a profitable week, nice week, do not try to trade in this market environment. Not a good chart to trade. But if you still want to trade, okay, go for a less risk. Do not gamble because trading opportunities are not good right now. Any level may fail. Okay, they may work because of less volume in the market. Otherwise, I would not have recommended it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. All the best.